4 learning resources for cybersecurity in 2024. Today, we are going to be looking at 4 resources that can help you get your journey in cybersecurity started this 2024. Welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. This is where we talk about cybersecurity for beginners. If you are watching or joining us for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share this video. The first resource I'll be talking about is TriacMe. TriacMe.com is a site that I've mentioned a few times on this channel, and it's a channel that offers fantastic resources for beginners as well as for experts. So you can log in if you already have an account there to check, or if you've created your account. Or creating an account on TriacMe is free. Once you log in, if you go to the dashboard, you are able to select what you want to learn. For instance, you can choose to learn maybe based on career path. So if you click on learn, it will open up where you will see learning paths. So these learning paths are for if you want to learn based on a career. Maybe you want to be a red teamer, you want to learn to junior penetration testing. So the courses here, this section is tailored to particular career, SOC level, SOC level 1, SOC, tier 1 SOC. You can also learn modules, metasploit, phishing modules, host evasions. So based on what you want to learn, you can select. Another option they have there, you can select if you want to do maybe a walkthrough. You want a kind of course or a program that teaches you step by step on what you do, or you want to do a capture the flag challenge. You can select free only options, and then maybe you can select the newest courses. So this gives you, TriacMe is very fantastic because it gives you opportunity to tailor your training, according to what you want and according to your level. The next resource here is Orel. Orel has a wide array of courses and certifications. It's beyond cybersecurity. They have programs or courses too that are not just cybersecurity inclined. So they have over 5,000 courses covering every area of in-demand courses. And their cybersecurity programs are also fantastic. You can log into Orel and register as an individual, or you sign up as a team. So looking at Orel, you can select courses here. You can check out, they have courses on malware and incident response, security operations, protection, risk management, for cybersecurity, for risk managers. So you can also learn based on certifications such as CompTIA certifications, Microsoft certifications, CCNA certifications. They have programs that can help you learn and prepare for these certifications. You can also watch videos of interesting events, about cybersecurity, AI, security, infrastructure. These are more like events now where experts, train and talk to people about different aspects of cybersecurity. Then the third resource I'm going to be mentioning here is ThinkCyber. ThinkCyber offers personalized training. These are instructor-led, programs within 4 to 6 months. At some point, you have interaction with Israeli instructors that will teach you hands-on practicals. One of the good features of ThinkCyber that I like is this: they have a simulator. So if you go to their website, the ThinkCyber Israel website, you will see some of the demo of what they have to offer. They have a simulator whereby you can log in and have a hands-on experience. You can actually real life scenarios are simulated for you to hack, or to provide solution. We cover some incident response. You can do log analysis. So many things happen, and their programs are on different levels, from level 1, intro to cyber. You have Linux fundamentals, Python fundamentals. You can move to level 2, network research. You have level 3, SOC analysis, Windows forensics. Goes down to level 4, where you have Linux, network forensics, level 5, OSINT, and so many other, and up to level 7. So ThinkCyber is a very good resource for you to explore, especially considering that it's an instructor-led, where you interact with live instructors at some point within your training. Then the next program I'm going to be talking about is Allison. Allison page, they offer free online courses with certificates. And the good thing about Allison is that you can train while for free. You go through the course training materials for free, and then when you want your certificate, you make a payment. You can log in to create your account. They have very very, very wide array of trainings too. You can earn a certificate, you can even earn a diploma on Analyst, and it's not also restricted to cybersecurity. They have training for different aspects of tech, and even areas that are not tech, languages, businesses. But the good thing about it is that you can learn on Analyst and then for free, access their content for free, and then subscribe to. They have free content, and then they have the ones that you have to pay for you to get your certificate. So that these four training or resources that I've mentioned can help you to achieve your cybersecurity in 4 months in 2024. If you go back and watch the video where I talk about becoming a cybersecurity professional in 4 months, these are some of the resources that can help you achieve this on a very quick scale. So if you are joining us for the first time, once again, if you watch this video and you got one or two things from it, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This is Cyber Culture Interface.